I'm either getting older or becoming a wuss because I'm going to have to crank this heat up a little more in here today. 2 feet of snow in Colorado today. It was nice to wake up to. Look at all that snow. Got some new lights installed in the shop. Oh yeah. Got about 2 feet of snow today, and this is what I've been doing. I organized the garage a bunch, and I've been in here trying to get this ready. So today is like a little less than 90 days from race week, and I still don't have an engine in my car. So yeah, things are going to get a little hectic towards the end here, but these heads that I've got, they're a Blueprint engine head, and they came with a 7/16 stud for the roller rocker. So I've got to swap those out with these 3/8 studs, and then I've got to check for pushrod length. So that's pretty much what's holding me up. Then it's time to put the engine in, and then it's time to fit the turbo kit. So I'm going to go ahead and jam through getting these installed and make sure I've got the right guide plates for the pushrod. And after that, we'll try to measure for pushrod length. Let's get to it. I've got all of the studs changed out to the 3/8 style. Now I'm going to have to figure out what's going on with this, because here's what I don't understand. So you see when you put this down in here, so how it rests on the stud. So we're going to end up it just doesn't look right to me. Same thing, see that? No, you can't really tell. So is that supposed to be sitting up here on the push rod? I assumed that these mounted solid on here. Maybe I'm just missing a piece, a spacer, a washer. I don't know. I'll have to get a hold of the Blueprint and see what they got to say about that. They're the ones that I bought these heads from anyway. But one more step done. I'll still have to take these apart and put some Loctite on all these, but for now, this is just so I can check push rod length. I've just got to get these in here, and I've got my push rod length checker here, so one step at a time. I do have a head gasket in there ready, so I'll have to I'll have to torque down my heads and then figure out what's going on with these, and then I'll be able to get my push rods in, check the length on those, and go from there. All right, well, it's been a long day for me. We've got 2 foot of snow. I was outside snow blowing for 5 hours today, so I'm going to call that good for there. And then tomorrow, I've got another unplanned day off, so I'll be able to get some more work done on this girl. So, one step at a time. My cane member was supposed to be here this weekend, but obviously with 2 foot of snow, it makes it a little hard for delivery trucks to get out and about. But more on it tomorrow, guys. Have a good one. See you guys next time.